Welcome to Crypto Blush. After the US election, Crypto Blush has given another predictions. Yes, I believe it in the month of when November or October we have measured. I wait a moment. I'll tell you the exact date. I believe it on the 27th of October 2024 we have published our BTC and Ethereum predictions, and in that case Crypto Blush has given a good amount of predictions. You can check out our previous video, it is in the description. But that moment we do not able to understand. Actually that day I am confused, so that's the reason I have given in the numbers. So in that case, what is a INR? In my previous video, I mentioned as an INR because it is a 67 something lakhs and then something thousands and then something numbers rupees. So that is I given it. But right now when I track it about the details, what is amount in USD, actually I have gone in a different manner because that day I had many number of video I had made it, so that's the reason I made a mistake. So anyways, right now we are giving in the USD price and in INR too, but here we will concentrate on INR. Because we are from India, but Indian market does not allow to invest in BTC Bitcoin. They have banned in India, I guess so. Means I did not get an access to anything. So yeah, if anyone is interested in our YouTube channel, please mention your cell number. Please mention your complete name. We will share one of the our form link. Okay, so you can connect on that form link with all your detail, your country detail or everything, and what is your motive to connect with us as a Crypto Blush, because Crypto Blush doesn't have any kind of connection still dated. Nobody has subscribed our channel, but our prediction has gone in a right manner. So right now in the month of October we have suggested that it can cross about more than 67 lakhs. So right now it has got about 77 lakhs. If you see in Indian INR, it is more than 77 lakhs. Means 10 lakh is profit the person who has having one BTC. So right now, apart from that, here we have extracted chart analysis, and that is also we have in USD. One BTC equals to what? How many thousand? Yeah, 91,265.79 USD. It is as per Google. Okay. So right now, Crypto Blush. What do you think about what is our, I don't know what tags we have to give it to Crypto Blush. It's all about cryptocurrencies, the market volatility. Probably in India it will be more banned. India may have a lot of things. See, crypto is good also, crypto is bad also. As per the budget and all overview, so we will not think about Indian perspective, we will think worldwide. So if you are from the worldwide across the different countries invested in BTC, I believe it all techies. I know that my all YouTube video user or audience is basically highly tech skill. Okay, I will never find any literate person on my YouTube channel. Anyways, so high skill people only follow us. So nobody is high skill, so nobody subscribe our channel. Anyways, we are not going to criticize. So BTC channel, Crypto Blush has launched quite 2 years back somewhere, and I don't know the date. Yeah, I think 2022 we have launched Crypto Blush. I believe it, because 2020 ending of the year we have launched our first YouTube channel. respect, we have launched our second crypto channel. 2023 we have personal issue, we do not make videos, but right now today I'm sending the video. We will anybody is interested to talk about other coins, let me know, I will make the video. But you have to give me the free coin also. I meant to say you have to give something without, because crypto market is very easy, they give it to us. But in India, it is ban. I don't understand what the ban we have to do it. We can't able to access anything. So anyways, BTC, we will say prediction. What predictions do you think about right now? Below in the comments, let me know what is your idea or your opinion. So crypto blush is basically think about Bitcoin, and we may think, suppose we will speak in USD dollars, then it might be goes more than 93,000 USD. 93,500 we will give it to you in this upcoming 3 months. It will be the target for Bitcoin. Suppose here in Indian market, I mean in Indian INR, actually I have not launched my own cryptocurrency, okay? So I don't know. It's a deep analysis and it's really time taking. Do not have any kind of, see, in the whole year, if we see the crypto, BTC has gone up to 36,000 USD, and then it has moved towards around 91,000. Means how much profit if you invested a year back in the month of November, it may gives you 36 multiply by twice, two times. How many? 96 plus 36, 66, 33, 66, and plus 6, so 72. So 72 means it is at least you have booked the double profit in the BTC in USD. But if I have seen BTC in INR, then trust me, in the last whole month when I recommended, that time it is somewhere around 60. See, it has given a good amount of downward, okay. I don't know, yeah, so sorry, actually I am also confused now, because when I recommended that was 67 at that day, and in that case 67, from 67 it has touched up to around it 7, means 10 lakh profit. You can see my previous video, I'm not lying, okay. So right now we are not lying, and that's the reason we have recommended. So INR, so right now what do you think, will you book another 10 lakhs in the next profit on BTC? Do you believe it? No, I think in the next 3 months, probably, how much we were expecting. See, today it's 77. So we will give it to safe side or 5 lakhs. 82 lakhs it can goes around it. First month, yeah, 82 lakhs. We can say 83 lakhs. In next 3 months, we were expecting from the BTC. And that is by crypto blush, okay. So blush for flush your idea and make your own coin and invest it into the crypto market. Yeah, we have seen number of people put it their own coin into the trade exchange, different exchanges across different countries. But yes, there is a lot of black dark side of crypto is there. It's the same, sometimes not safe. People hack your devices, people burn your devices. I mean there is a lot of farming, crypto farming is going into the market. So anyways, we will not speak about it because we are not technically giving any lecture or webinar on this. This is all about predictions about cryptocurrency. So we will add another video. So Crypto Blush basically has given the analysis in USD and INR. Happy Sunday in advance, and hopefully in the next 3 months you will book the another 5 lakh rupees profit, I guess so, or it can have another news and another views. So wait and watch. Our predictions may be valid around 6 months also. Yeah, but in the 3 months you will book the profit of 5 lakh rupees over here. In the case of BTC, I guess so. So, and the previous video you can see in the description link and you can check out over there. They are not lying. Yes, we are confused bit about because that time I think UTC we speak or UDC. I was confused about UTC and USD, so that's the reason I haven't speak about the numbers. But you can see in the video itself. Yeah, our predictions has literally has gone good way. Uh, we have achieved. Okay, so that's the reason I'm publishing this my video on Crypto Blush channel. Have a great day. Happy Sunday. Bye bye in advance. Yes, do you have any kind of recommendation? Let me know in comments. I know crypto people really do vast marketing. They will approach me, but what I have to do on that analysis because there is a lot of thing going behind the curtain. Have a great day. Bye bye.